Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply auto caption template on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first thing first, make sure you have updated your InShot application on your phone, because this feature is the new feature on InShot, so you have to update your InShot to get the latest version of InShot. And after you have update your InShot, you can open it. And then I'm just going to create new project. I'm going to tap on video and tap on new, and for example I'm going to select this video. Okay, I'm going to create auto caption for this video, and I'm going to use the auto caption template on InShot. If you want to create auto caption, we can go to the text menu, and here we can choose captions. Okay, and this is the new feature I've told you before guys. This is the template we can use for our caption. You can select the default template right here, and as you can see there are some templates we can apply to our caption. For example, if you want to create typewriter caption, you can select this one. Okay, and you can choose the template that you like. And for instance, I'm just going to select typewriter style. Okay, and then click on the check mark, and here you can select the language for your caption, and my video is in English, so I'm just going to select English. And after that we can click on start, and then we can click on free unlock. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. The auto captions is being generated. It's still processing. Okay, and now the auto captions has been generated guys. This is the result, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw. Okay, and you can do styling for the template if you want. You can go to the edit menu, and then you can customize the font. If you want to change the font, you just need to go to the font. You can also change the caption template right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply the caption template on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.